Good morning, everyone. I hope your month of March is going peacefully. Spring is right around the corner, and I personally am super excited for the sunny days to be back. For those who are new here, welcome. Thanks for joining me. My name's Zoe, and I make slow, cozy videos that hopefully can brighten up your day and bring you a bit of comfort. For everyone else, it's so good to have you back. I truly appreciate it. Actually, this channel has turned 5 months very recently, and I'm so grateful for the love and support I receive in the comments every week. It's been an incredible journey so far, and creating this space for myself and others is something that I'm actually really proud of. So, a big thank you again. I will never say that enough. Alright, so this week, my Hobonichi journal is back. I've been quite busy with other things last week, so I did have a few pages to catch up and decided to take one day doing that and resting overall. For the layout of the pages, March is all about simplicity. I actually decided to remove the practical section of my dailies for this month, since it will be a bit more busy for me. I like how each month's design and layout looks different, shifting and adapting to the specificity of that month. It reveals a lot about that time of my life, not only the content of it, but also the look of the page. At the very beginning, back when I was planning my book in January, I wanted it to look super consistent and neat throughout the year. But now that it's the third month, I'm super open to the pages looking different and the book growing more organically in a way. Some of you may recognize the letter stamps, and yes, they're making a comeback. I like the style of it, and honestly, I just missed it. As simple as that. They do make a good heading and give a bit more hierarchy to the page. It's also a pretty typeface, and it creates a nice contrast with my handwriting, I think. I don't do hand lettering at all, so stamps are perfect for me in that sense. Quick and cute. I'll leave you with some journaling time now, and I'll chat a bit more later in the video. Enjoy! Something that I've loved doing more and more as the beautiful days are coming back is spending time outside. Since I started running more consistently 3 weeks ago, I realized how beneficial it is to just get out and breathe. Especially first thing in the morning, we have all these thoughts about how the day will go, what we have to do, etc. So going outside is my special moment with myself, and now I don't think I could ever go back, honestly. Well, I also am aware that I'm lucky enough to be in a place with such nice weather, and I'm trying to stay present and appreciate that as long as it lasts. But yeah, even an afternoon walk or just going out to sit on the bench and take a break, I often see a lot of cute dogs, beautiful birds, especially around this season. So it's definitely a plus. And I guess I showed in the video earlier, but I did encounter a group of coyotes. I wasn't sure what animal it was because it's as small as a fox, but it has more like a wolf head, and it was my first time seeing that animal. Already encountering one was so exciting and special, but then 2 and 3 and 4 popped up. That was such a magical moment. It was just them and me, and they were so close too. Well, I'm glad I was able to catch that on camera. At that moment, I really did thank myself for getting out of the house, or else I would have never seen coyotes. So yeah, these are things that I want to incorporate more and more in my routine, making it a habit for myself. Especially working from home, I think it's easy to forget how long we've been sitting, and we don't have peers around us to randomly shout, "Stretch now, everyone." I miss those times. I guess now I'm just trying to become my own peer, and I can become your peer too. So let's all get up and stretch right now for a minute. Then we can wrap up the day together with the few last pages in my journal